is this is Due Diligence here, and this is just a quick update on CEI and what we did on CEI, just in case you guys also get on the trade with us. So on this day, which is October 5th, 2021, when is October 5th, 2021? On this day, technically this day, we posted this video about CEI. We're saying that, CEI is getting dragged down so much. Our price target is about $2.22, or if you just want a no-brainer sort of thing that we would do is basically the next day when the market opens, we bought like 2 or 3 $1 leap year calls. For those of you who don't know what leap year call is, leap calls are usually 6 months ahead of you. And then for this, I'm just being lazy, so I bought a bunch of January 1st options, and I bought some options that are a little bit further out than that. I bought it all at $1. The $1 call option, not all at $1. $1 per option technically means it's $100 because it controls 100 shares, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, so, and let's see today. Today we bounced back to our target range, about 2.2. We said 2.28 or 2.23. I don't remember. I did a very intricate calculation. And today it dropped down again, and around, I think I liquidated in the morning, isn't it? Yeah, I liquidated like in the very early morning today, because anyways, this is what we did today. I basically liquidated how much of my options? I liquidated 75% of all of my leap year options, and just put you guys in perspective. Where did it go? So this is where it looks like, right? It bounced back to 2.2, seems like there's resistance and pull back. So why did I not, liquidate all of my, positions over here? Because, from $1 call options, when I bought it, when I buy the $1 leave call, I bought it at 1.08. When the price is at 1.8. So when the price goes to 2.2, that means I at least make about 234% on the option. Why did I not liquidate all of them? Because there is a very small chance, okay? There's a very small chance that Monday it's going to rebound, and then one day it's going to rebound to here. If the market condition is great, if the oil didn't really dip by 3% or 5% over, on Sunday, then this could happen. And, as a wise man said, which is one of our Discord / Patreon member, Roland said, right now we should look into the potential of making profit rather than profit itself. So he said that, and then, it struck me. I was like, sure, why not? Like, I'm young and maybe I should take more risk on this one. I don't really put a cap on how much I make, right? What if my prediction is wrong? What if, it actually went up to the next, next support line? So, I left 25% there just in case, right? If tomorrow or Monday, technically speaking, it dropped down again to like, 1.4 range, then I still make about leap year. I still make like, 50%, like 30% to 25, so 25% to 25% to 50%. It's still pretty good on an option contract, You don't really want to aim for like every day you make like, remember the screenshot I showed you guys, like 1,454%, and there's one that like 800%. It's not gonna happen every day, like sometimes it's luck, sometimes, it could just be me, being lucky for like 4 days in a row. But it's just like, a lot of times I decided to leave myself for some error and leave myself for some potential profit if anything happens. But again, this is not a long-term investment right now. Okay, this is more like a, it's pump and dump flip. It's sort of like a playing off of market mechanics, because at this point, your borrowing rate is over 57% if you go look at Pinto on that exact day, right? And then today, our borrowing rate, I think it went down. So that means a lot of those actions are easing right now. CEI short interest. Yeah, the borrowing rate are easing, and we probably want to see the borrowing rate going down to about like 4%-ish or 7% to 4%-ish by the end of Monday. Then you will see a price stabilization. Let's just say it opens here, and then Monday it goes within this range, and then let's just say around this price point, the borrowing rate is around, let's just say 7%, and it will just split as and trade flat over here. And if there's some catalyst of retail money that to flow back into the market, then you will see a further run up to 2.3. But I'm just in this for quick money. So if you guys are looking for a very detailed DD on this one, I don't really have one for you. I can only tell you that this is what I think in terms of like short-term price action. And this is it for this video for CEI. And hopefully you guys like it. See you guys on the upside.